Show me it. Wow, this is what you found? Looks like a helicopter, doesn't it? Sterling.
Oh, ladybug!
Yeah, you want to find the ladybugs on here? One second, darling.
Oh no!
I'm just trying to see what these berries are.
Should we play the game like where someone kicks the ball and then we mark the spot and then whoever gets the farthest wins? It's like we all take turns.
Oh yeah, play with that with your brothers. That's the mock vine.
Oh, this is a dry one.
Yeah, but you can see the seeds in it. Isn't it interesting?
Yeah, there's apple.
This is the dry house. Yeah.
Take a look. Before.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Does it smell? Why don't you smell it?
I don't smell anything. What about you?
Anything?
Wait, it does actually smell like some.
Yeah, they're very happy. It's springtime.
This is a blessing. Oh, I found another one. Oh, this is a giant blessing. I found another one in the white flower.
All right, that's enough. Oh, he nearly came to my face.
Oh, there's another one in the white flower. Here. Over here, Mom.
Okay, guys, it's okay, darlings.
Oh, there's another one. It's flying.
It's a bindi. Mm-hmm. Yes, darling.
It's a bike.
It is a spike. Mm.
I see my bike. You should make pancakes, right?
Mariam, what is it?
It's a worm.
Are those worms?
Yeah. Get a picture.
Get a picture of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
She's saying there was so much worm.
Yeah.
So many. Exactly have it. You see?
Oh, yeah. It's the spikiest leaves ever.
It was like death.
Beautiful flowers, though.
Done.